Look, listen, and say. Fried egg, rice, mixed vegetables, sandwich, coconut, juice, strawberry, papaya. Listen and say. Read.
Good morning. Can I help you? Good morning. Could I have 2 fried eggs and a glass of juice? Sure. What kind of juice? Papaya juice, please. I'm sorry, we don't have any papaya juice. Do you want to have mango juice? Okay. Anything else? No, thanks. That's all.
Read section B from the book and answer the following question. Say the food items that Rumi ordered. Group work. Act the dialogue in activity B. Use different foods that you know.